Good day, sir. This is my report about parts of a ship, magnetic compass and their meaning. First is compass ball. This hold the compass card part that show direction like north, south, west, east. It also contains the easy circle and lovers line which are used to read the ship heading direction. Second is iron spear. This is the iron spear. Iron spear, these are the metals ball placed on the side of the compass. They help to correct the magnetic deviation caused by the ship's metal structure. And this one is the Flinders bar, a vertical soft iron bar placed near the compass. It corrects the magnetic errors caused by the ship's vertical magnetism running up and down. The next one is for an FET magnet ray. This tray holds magnet placed along the length of the ship, front to back. It helps to correct the error due the magnetism along that direction. This one is the Artwart ship magnet ray C. This tray holds magnet placed across the width of the ship side to side. It helps to correct errors due magnetism in that direction. This one is the healing magnet tube. Healing magnet tube, a tube that holds a magnet vertically below the compass. It corrects that it corrects error that occur when the ship heels from the side to side. Next is binnacle stand. Structure or stand that hold the entire compass system. It also contains the trace and magnet used for aid adjustment. And this one is mirror and reflection arrangement. This mirror reflect the compass to reading to other parts of the ship such as bridge. It allows officers to read the compass without being right beside it. The next one is base. This is the base. Base is the bottom part of the binnacle stand. It provides stability and supports the whole compass assembly. And this one is a peephole going to the ship bridge. This one. The meaning of peephole going to the ship bridge, a small opening or tube that lets navigators to see the compass reading from the bridge. It ensures they can steer the ship correctly even if the compass is located lower. Thank you, sir.